Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people: how to fix a bad credit score. Now, you might be wondering why this is important. Your credit score plays a crucial role in your financial life. It determines whether you can get approved for loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. And let's not forget about the interest rates you'll be charged. A bad credit score can cost you thousands of dollars in extra fees and higher interest rates. In this video, we're going to break down the steps you can take to improve your credit score. We'll start by explaining what a credit score is and how it's calculated. Then, we'll move on to the strategies you can use to fix a bad credit score. We'll cover things like paying your bills on time, reducing your credit utilization, and disputing any errors on your credit report. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to improve your credit score and how to get started. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around and let's get started. In the early days of lending, credit scores didn't exist. People relied on trust and reputation to secure loans. But as the financial industry grew, lenders needed a more objective way to assess a borrower's creditworthiness. And thus, the credit score was born. Today, credit scores play a crucial role in our financial lives. They are a numerical representation of our creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. A high credit score indicates that you are a responsible borrower, while a low score suggests a higher risk. But what happens if you have a bad credit score? Well, it can make life challenging. It can be difficult to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. And if you do manage to get approved, you may face higher interest rates and less favorable terms. The good news is that there are steps you can take to fix a bad credit score. It won't happen overnight, but with patience and discipline, you can improve your creditworthiness. In this video, we'll explore the common obstacles and barriers that people face when trying to fix their credit scores. We'll also provide practical tips and strategies to help you overcome these challenges and improve your credit score. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive in and learn how to fix a bad credit score. Key points on how to fix a bad credit score. 1. Understand your credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. 2. Check your credit report. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and review it for errors or discrepancies. 3. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you pay your bills on time. 4. Reduce credit card debt. High credit card balances can negatively affect your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% by paying down your balances. 5. Diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit score. 6. Avoid opening new credit accounts. Opening multiple new credit accounts within a short period can lower your credit score. Only apply for new credit when necessary. 7. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. They are required to investigate and correct any inaccuracies. 8. Be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score takes time and effort. Stay committed to good financial habits and monitor your progress regularly. Remember, fixing a bad credit score is a gradual process. By following these steps and maintaining good financial habits, you can improve your creditworthiness and open up opportunities for better financial outcomes. When it comes to fixing a bad credit score, there are various aspects to consider. One perspective is to focus on paying your bills on time and reducing your credit card debt. This approach emphasizes the importance of responsible financial management and avoiding excessive borrowing. On the other hand, some experts argue that simply paying your bills on time may not be enough. They suggest taking a more holistic approach by diversifying your credit mix and building a positive credit history. This means having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, and demonstrating a consistent track record of responsible borrowing and repayment. Another aspect to consider is the impact of credit utilization. While it's important to keep your credit card balances low, completely avoiding credit card usage may not be beneficial either. Some experts argue that using credit cards responsibly and paying off the balances in full each month can actually help improve your credit score. It's also worth noting that recent changes in credit reporting practices have made it easier for consumers to fix errors on their credit reports. By regularly reviewing your credit report and disputing any inaccuracies, you can ensure that your credit score is based on accurate information. Ultimately, the key to fixing a bad credit score is to be proactive and consistent in your efforts. It's important to educate yourself about credit management, seek professional advice if needed, and stay committed to improving your financial health. So, what strategies have you found effective in improving your credit score? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. In conclusion, fixing a bad credit score is a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and responsible financial habits. By understanding your credit score, checking your credit report for errors, paying your bills on time, reducing credit card debt, and diversifying your credit mix, you can improve your creditworthiness and open up opportunities for better financial outcomes. Remember, improving your credit score takes time, so stay committed to good financial habits and monitor your progress regularly. By taking control of your credit, you can have a positive impact on your financial future. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from this information. Don't forget to check out our other videos on personal finance and credit management. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to a better credit score.